Hey fitness enthusiasts, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a fundamental aspect of nutrition: macronutrients. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting your fitness journey, understanding macronutrients is key to achieving your health and fitness goals. So let's jump right in. First things first, what are macronutrients? Well, macronutrients are the three primary components of the food we consume that provide us with energy. These three superheroes are proteins, carbohydrates, and fats. Let's start with proteins. They're the building blocks of life. Proteins are crucial for muscle repair, immune function, and overall growth. Sources of protein include lean meats, poultry, fish, eggs, dairy, legumes, and plant-based options like tofu and quinoa. Next up, we have carbohydrates. Often misunderstood, carbs are our body's primary energy source. They come in two forms, simple and complex. Simple carbs, found in fruits and sweets, provide quick energy. Complex carbs, found in whole grains, vegetables, and legumes, offer sustained energy and fiber, aiding in digestion. Now let's talk about fats. Fats are essential for various bodily functions, including hormone production and nutrient absorption. Healthy fat sources include avocados, nuts, seeds, olive oil, and fatty fish. Remember, not all fats are created equal, so opt for unsaturated fats over saturated and trans fats. Each macronutrient has a specific caloric value. Proteins and carbohydrates provide around 4 calories per gram, while fats provide approximately 9 calories per gram. This is crucial when planning your daily caloric intake based on your fitness goals. Now, how do macronutrients align with your fitness goals? If you're aiming for muscle gain, you might focus on a higher protein intake. For endurance athletes, a balanced mix of carbs and fats is essential for sustained energy. Those on a weight loss journey might adjust their macronutrient ratios to support fat loss while preserving muscle mass. Tracking your macronutrients can be done through various methods, including food diaries, apps, or working with a nutritionist. This allows you to fine-tune your nutrition based on your specific needs. There you have it, the ABCs of macronutrients. Remember, it's not just about counting calories, but understanding where those calories come from. Tailor your macronutrient intake to support your unique fitness goals. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more nutrition insights, and drop your questions in the comments below. Stay fueled, stay fit. #macronutrients, #nutrition, 101 #fitness education.